Hello guys. Alright, so for this second part, this is all about inserting data into your database. So what I've created here in Flutter is the second half, which is the sign up page, the registration form for the user. So we only have three fields: username, password, and repeat password. But what we have in our database is just two fields, which will be populated later from our PHP file. So you only have the username and password, and then we'll do a validity check for our two passwords here if they are the same. Okay, so right now, let's go to our SAMP folder. Okay, so go to your C SAMP if you're using Windows. Just go to your C SAMP and then your folder here and then the login PHP. Let's create another file. Let's open up VS Code. You can use any IDE. Okay, so create a new file. It's going to be PHP. Just copy and paste. Now, you don't need this one. Sorry. Yeah, you need the username and password to be inserted. And then instead of a select statement here, we're gonna use the insert into statement. So this part of the code will tell MySQL to insert a new record into your um, table. Okay, so let's insert into users. Let's insert only the username and the password. No need to insert the ID. And then specify the values here. So inside here, okay, so here we have the username and here we have our password. Okay, so the same goes like before in our login.php file. Add two double quotes inside and then do the concatenation string in PHP and then add in the username. Same goes here, two double quotes, two dots, and then a $sign, and then the password. Okay, now we don't need the result here. We just need to perform the query. So the query will be the variable in which the operation or the result set will be stored. So if it's successful or not. So do a MySQL query and then specify your database and then your SQL statement. Delete this one as well. So let's do an if the query was successful, then echo JSON encode and then success. Okay, so save this one as your register.php. Right, so this will connect to your database. We are waiting for a username and password to be passed from Flutter, then insert statement to your database. Okay, so let's go to your IDE, Android IDE. Inside it, we're gonna perform first a validation check. We want the username, the three fields, username, password, and the repeat password to be not blanked. So I've created already a repeat password text editing controller here. So let's do another check. Let's just append. Okay, make it all fields cannot be blanked. And then inside of the else statement, we'll check if both passwords are the same. So if password the text is equal to repeat password the text, meaning they are the same, then continue on with the operation. Else if not, then throw a toast here. Just say that both passwords have to be the same. Okay, and then of course change your local connect, your file access here to whatever you've named it in your htdocs folder. So we have it register.php, and then it's gonna be the same. We're just passing username and password here. Do not pass repeat password. We are just using repeat password to just check if it's gonna be the same. And then what else? So connect to the URL, add the username and password from the text controller. Do not forget the text. You have the JSON decode here to whatever response the result set will throw back from the PHP file. And if it's success, as we can see here, if it's success, let's add an else echo JSON encode error. Okay, and then go back. If it's success, then it will proceed to your welcome screen. Maybe throw in toast here, registration success. Okay, if success, error, registration failed. Okay, yeah. So don't forget, in your sign up button you have to change the function name as well. So change it to register build context cont. Okay, so let's just do a hot restart in our emulator. Okay, so of course our login functioning, admin, let's try user 123. It says the user and password combination does not exist. So click on sign up and then click on registration here. So when you click on sign up, it will throw an error that all fields cannot be blank. So maybe create a user and then password 123, repeat password 12. So when you click on sign up, it will throw an error that both passwords have to be the same. So let's click on let's type in 123, click on sign up. It will say registration success. So when you go to your localhost phpMyAdmin, click on refresh. You can see here that it's already inserted user 123. So no need to insert manually here because it's all done from your Flutter application. Okay, so here we have welcome home. So exit the application. Let's try to run local connect. So let's try user 12. Click on login. It does not exist, but when it's user 123, automatic it's successful. Maybe add a toast here, login successful. Okay, so that's it for the registration page. For this one, I'll upload the code on Google Drive. Yeah, I'll just upload the code in Google Drive, not in GitHub. So I'll just upload this to as well as the pubspec.yaml. Yeah, these two PHP files, and then of course the pubspec.yaml and this one, so you can check yourself how the code works. Right?